Hi everyone, this is Jane from Weitai Hydraulic China, and we are a manufacturer of hydraulic cylinders, power pack, and travel motor. Today we would like to recommend a special plunger cylinder for all of you. Here it is. It is a plunger cylinder for Western replacement. And our plunger cylinder is widely used in different kind of brand of the snow plow, like the Fisher, the Meyer, and the Western and other brand. And we can say from the outside part, and we use the high quality steel tube for the tube part. It was precision skived and rolled. And for the clevis part, we use the tensile steel, and for the end part, we use the casting steel, and for the inside part we use the high-grade ductile iron for the piston, and for the rolled part we use the number 45 steel, which was chrome plated. For the cell case part, normally we use the high-quality Chinese OEM brand, but we can also do the special brand for the customer's special requirements. I would like to point out that Weitai Hydraulic pay more attention on the quality and cost control. We have been focused on the US market for more than 30 years with high quality and competitive price. We operate the ISO 9001 quality control management system, from the vendors management and from the raw materials, especially for the warehouse management and each processing. And we have our own quality control team, from the manager to the staffs. Beside our plunger cylinder, you will find more options of hydraulic cylinder, power pack, travel motor, and other hydraulic components in our website. You can also download our digital catalogs for our hydraulic components in our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.